In this video, I want to share with you a couple of other sites to sell domains, and whereas eBay is sort of like a mainstream website that everybody knows.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
These sites are sites that generally are used by people who are in the domain industry. The first one is Sido, and this is, for now, I'll tell you that basically this is just where you can try to sell your domains. Later in an upcoming lecture, I'm going to explain to you how you can actually park your domains. You see, the buy park domains. So we'll talk about parking in a second in an upcoming video. So there's Sido, and by the way, I'll also have the links to these in the resources section of this video. And also there is Sido and bido, or bido. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bido is kind of cool because right on the homepage, look, you can see what's selling. And I've been browsing. So for example, you can see like ticketpool.com, which is, I guess, would be a ticketing website. You can, the bidding is already at $116, and you can buy it for $149. So that if you bought it for like $1 or $10, that would be a nice profit. And depending on what your financial goals are, many people, they can live on that per day. Or even if you sell a few a day. So for example, ussp.us, not even sure what that is. It's short and memorable. I guess that's the only value. It's a 4-letter domain, but it's a .us. 4-letter domains.com, they're very expensive, but the .us is not. So, but still, you can, these people are already bidding it up to 20 bucks. Oops, I just pressed something. And you can see how this works. So another one, you can see how that works. And just want to find another one. It's a KXU, doesn't mean anything, but .info, and it's like this price. So you can see that some of the things here are really bad domains, and they're still selling. So if you find really good premium domains, you can sell it for pretty good price sometimes. And if you use all the sites like Flippa, this one, Sido, bido, and eBay, and get the best price, you can sell them for really nice profits every day.